What's up everybody, I'm Tim from Temporary Gifts. So I've got some really great subscribers. Without you guys watching and commenting and participating, really wouldn't be much point in me doing this channel. So thank you all for being involved. When you guys talk, I definitely try to listen. Had a subscriber the other day ask me a question in the comments. Did my best to answer. It's kind of hard to answer in writing, so I want to do a real quick video just to show her what I was talking about. The question was from Angela Johnson. She asked, how do you ship container candles that have no lids? So you've got your nice pretty little container candle like this, gorgeous top on it. You put it in your shipping box, put your packing materials on top of it, and they inevitably go inside. I can either melt to it, scratch the top of it, stick to it. Either way, your candle's not going to ride the way you want it to. So there's two simple solutions. The first one is going to be a little plastic lid. You guys can see that. Now, this isn't always going to be an option. Sometimes they don't come with the jar. Sometimes you won't be able to find the appropriate size for the jar that you have. And even if you are lucky enough to find them, it might be sold on a totally different website. So you've got to place two different orders, pay shipping twice, just to take care of this single issue. So I'll leave some links in the description of some of these that I found. We'll set this aside for now. That's a great option, but I've actually come up with a super simple, easy homemade option. It's going to work just as well, be a lot easier for you, and save you a lot of money. All we're going to need to do, just buy some really thick, nice cardstock, measure the actual size that we're going to need. Head over to Avery.com. They've got a great selection, all kinds of different sizes of labels. Now, the actual label you pick doesn't really matter. We're basically just going for the size and the layout of it, because when it's done, it's going to print it out on our cardstock perfectly round. It's going to be super easy for us to cut out. So just go to Avery.com. You can design these tops pretty much any way you wanted to. You can choose from the templates they have. You can input your own pictures and designs like I have. When it's all said and done, you can print it out on your cardstock. It's going to be lined up perfectly for you, perfect circles at the size that you picked to fit the top of your candle. And if you really wanted to get creative, you can design another template, print your first page, flip this around in your printer, and use the back to print safety messages, burning instructions, advertisements for your company. Pretty much anything you wanted to with that free space on the back. Now, to actually use these, all we're going to do, cut out that circle. Cry cut machine would work really great if you had one. If not, you can just be careful and do it by freehand. Then once we get it cut out, we're just going to take a hole punch a hole in the middle. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. That's where our wick's actually going to go. Now we're just going to place this over the top. There you go, fits perfectly over the top. We've got the hole in the center so it doesn't impede the wick. These can have the added benefit of actually serving as your labels. You guys can see this is a gorgeous little beveled jar, but it's almost impossible to get a label on that. So if I wanted a label on it, this might actually be my only option. And of course, if we really wanted to give it that fancy professional look, we can actually use both of these. So now we've got the label lid that I made with the protective cover on top. And we can ship these no problem, without any worries of our packing material touching and damaging our candle. If you guys have any questions or comments, something that you think hasn't really been clarified in any of my other videos, feel free to let me know in the comments, and you might just see yourself in a shout out in one of my future videos. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications, stay tuned for more great videos. Thanks for watching, everybody.